Welcome to a rough day in Costa Maya. Holy moly, these are some big waves. Woke up, woke up to the boat rocking pretty hard. And I think we're just now docking. Very windy. But yeah, this is I believe this is going to be the new port that Royal Caribbean is buying, and they're actually planning on refurbishing this water park here in the future. So that'll be fun. By the way, guys, this is day 4 on the Provost Park Pass group cruise, Western Caribbean on Wonders of the Seas. Yeah, so honestly, guys, if you guys are worried about rough seas, this is pretty much as rough as it gets. Well, it gets rougher, but for the most part, this is what you'll experience. But yeah, we should be disembarking here soon. Alright, all ready to go. Got all set up. I'm going to go probably check out some local pools down in the main area when you first get off the ship. And there's a few shops down there and stuff. So what I do on days like this, I'll just bring a backpack, bring my sunscreen, some random things you might need, maybe a bottle of water or something like that. And that's about it. And then, of course, bring your either passport or your ID. And also your card, your room card. Make sure you bring that to get back on the ship. Other than that, yeah, bring maybe a towel if you want to bring a towel with you. I don't know if they have towels down there. I didn't see last time I was here, but it's pretty bright out today. I mean, it's a little overcast. Man, I got that morning grog. But it's a little overcast, but as far as drying off pretty quick, I mean, it's pretty windy, so I'm not worried about a towel. I'll dry off pretty quick. But yeah, we're gonna head into town and start this day. So let's go. But before we get off the ship, guys, there's one thing I gotta take care of. It's kind of important. Gotta get ice cream. Yeah, first one of the cruise. All right. Oh yeah. Perfect for a nice hot day like this. Anyways, let's get off the ship. Sweet, got a Red Bull. Nice. Had them in the gangway on the way out, so waters and Red Bulls. No Celsius though. Oh well, this'll work. Yeah, so I guess maybe I think another 2 ships or maybe another ship was supposed to come here today, but unfortunately the winds are so strong. And these guys are great. The winds are so strong that the other ship, I think it was Celebrity Beyond, they're kind of having the same itinerary as us. So yeah, it got into port and it left because these winds are very strong. Luckily, where we're docked, now if you guys remember from my last video here, World America, we docked here. Last time, this is where Royal Caribbean docked. So this is kind of like their port, I guess. I don't know if it's assigned ports or whatever, but yeah, this is the wind is actually blowing against the ship right now, against the pier here. If we were to park where MSC or park, if we would have docked where MSC what we did last month, dude, it would definitely be breaking straps. We would have some serious issues. But look, let me show you guys how strong the winds are. So it's literally like pushing the ship up against the port. Yeah, that's not supposed to, I mean, that's what they're there for, but yeah, the winds are super strong. The whole ship is just rocking from the winds. So, pretty choppy day. This is a lot different weather than last month I was here. It was super calm last time. Flat water, it was very blue. But man, yeah, this is crazy. But yeah, a lot of people's excursions unfortunately got canceled today because the weather. So we'll see probably a lot of people in town. And also, a lot of people are not even getting off the ship because their excursions got canceled. They can't even really enjoy the port because it's just so windy and whatnot. Man, this is nuts. Oh my gosh, check this out, guys. Yeah, so again, the wind is blowing against the ship, so look how big these waves are getting. Crazy. Now, just to have heads up, this is hurricane season. June, I'm learning this myself. June is hurricane season, so for about 2 or 3 months, I believe, till like June, July, August is pretty much hurricane season, and then September, October-ish kind of dies off. But yeah, this is this is this is how it is, guys. This is how it is. Hey! You guys made it! Oh man, look at that. Jeez. Crazy. So yeah, this is a... Oh no, my hat's about to blow off. That's not good. Almost got blown up from here. There's no drinking this. Yeah, it's crazy. Everybody's just like, so yeah, 2 ships actually canceled. They came into the port and they left. Norwegian Cruise Line and another Royal Caribbean ship. So I think they skipped this one and they went further down to the next port. I think maybe Cozumel. Not exactly sure, but yeah, too dangerous for them to dock here in these conditions. Hey, remember him from last time? What's up, man? Yeah, definitely not weather permitted for drones, unless you want to lose it. Hey, it's one of those rare hard hat fish. Wow, you don't see those very often. So yeah, the future home of Royal Caribbean. They just, I guess, recently bought this, and they're planning on doing a lot with it. What they need to do is put up a wind wall for this place. I guess the staff member here, I was talking to her, and she said, yeah, this is pretty normal during this time of season, so nothing new. Hey, here's the Mayans. Oh wow, pretty cool. So much better. Always watch out for dropping coconuts. Wow, they even have a Starbucks here. Free Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, uploading time. Of course, there's a catch. $8 later. Got my vanilla latte. Oh, this is cool. They got some type of a show going on down here. These four guys do some crazy acrobats off this pole. Oh, it rotates. Oh, damn. What in the heck? Oh, they're wrapping their ropes around the top. Oh, this should be interesting.
So let's give them a couple of minutes of silence, please.
Oh, they're gonna pray to get permission to do their dance. It's like a Mayans dance. I definitely missed this last time. This is pretty cool. Alright, here they go. Oh my gosh.
Originally, the flyer's outfit were costumes elaborated with bird feathers. Due to the conquest, the attire has been changing because of the Spanish influence.
Wow.
The white outfit is a combination of the colors represented in nature. The sunlight rays, the meadow flowers, the rainbow, the moon. UNESCO declared the ritual ceremony of the Papan La Flyers as intangible cultural heritage of humanity. I would like to remind you that the main income of the Papantla Flyers is based on their tips and donations.
That's crazy. I don't know how they do it for that long, upside down. That takes some talent. And blow an instrument? Gotta be so lightheaded.
Once again, let's put your hands together for the Papantla Flyers.
Woo!
If you want to take a picture with them, please come closer and remember.
Wow.
Welcome to Costa Maya. Welcome to paradise.
That's crazy. Pretty cool. Dude, that's what's great about going on these excursions. These places, you just never know what you might see and find and experience. So some of you guys commented on my last video here. This is actually a bird cage. Like a walk-through bird experience. I don't know what anybody's doing right now, but it's kind of cool to do. I'm gonna try to see if I can find out if we can do this. What the heck? They have a fish spa here? Wow, piranha spa. That's cool. Oh wow, it actually goes around the whole place here. Huh? Look at this. Little fountain. Oh, this is kind of nice. They have locker rentals down here. So if you want to rent a locker to put your stuff in while you go and check out the exhibit here, that's kind of cool. Bro, what the heck? I didn't know all this was back here. There's a little swim-up bar. What? Oh man. Yes, a lot of this stuff is being blown in by the sea because the waves are just getting so big. But yeah, this is pretty crazy. Oh my gosh, this is the dolphin experience. They've got dolphins in here, you can swim with them. Oh, look at the dolphin. It's kind of cool to see them in a different location. Usually I see them at Discovery Kingdom, Six Flags, and yeah, I get to see them in Mexico here. Oh. Then in the back, there's people that actually pay to swim with dolphins. So that's pretty cool. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, you can get hammock massages. No idea how much they are, but I'm sure they're nice. Hey. You're getting one? I know her from the... She can't hear me, it's kind of windy. She doesn't like me anymore. Wow. Oh, that's funny. Dude, I can sit here and watch these dolphins all day, man. This is so cool. Oh, man. And I heard, by the way, guys, if you guys are following me from Six Flags Discovery Kingdom, the dolphin show is now back. Unfortunately, I'm not there to share with you guys, but yeah, a couple people have messaged me saying it has returned, so yeah, I can't wait to come back and check it out. Super cool, man. Look, he's gonna do a little something over here. Let's see. Sometimes they'll do little tricks. Oh, there he goes. Smack, 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 smack. Alright, moving on. Look at this cantina. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Now this is a party. Oh man. Yeah, so there's this pool, and a little further down there's another pool. Man, this looks a lot cleaner than last time I was here. Damn, this is a party. You guys want to see some flamingos? Check this out. Oh, so this is the bird sanctuary. The well, it's not a sanctuary, but it's like a bird bridges and all that stuff. It's actually closed right now. I don't know if they're gonna refurbish it or what, but yeah, it looks kind of cool. Man, there's like all these bridges everywhere. It goes around, different birds and stuff. Whoa, speaking of birds. Ah, the flamingos. Oh, they're there, over here. I was like, they're gone, no. Oh, that's cool, look at this. Nice. Flamingo. All right, yeah, so further down they got more restaurants, cantinas, shops, all kinds of cool stuff. Cigars. Hey, there's the tequila tasting again. It's actually open this time. Oh, actually last time I came here it was super early. A lot earlier than this because we had to get to a excursion where we had our own private beach. And yeah, for it was like 40 bucks a person or something like that. All you can eat and drink. It was pretty amazing, man. We had our own little private beach over here. I don't remember the name, but if you want to go back and look at my World America cruise ship series, look for Costa Maya and or not Costa Maya, oh my gosh. Yeah, Costa Maya. Yeah, look up that video and you'll see it in there. Oh yeah, this feels amazing. Yes, I get no doubt. Like you know, forget it. If you ever gonna keep me down, I get no doubt. Dude, this is awesome. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the main pool and go there. It's a little more fun. But yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. I think I found like the best taco spot down here. We might have to get some tacos, guys. Wow. Alright, 15 bucks later. Yeah, I know it could be cheaper, but it's okay. Yeah, I think they're worth it. When in Rome, I guess. Alright. Let's go eat and explore. Alright, so I'm gonna go get in the pool. I wanna go to the swim-up bar, but in order to do that, I need to find a spot. So I found a spot here. And yeah. In order to stay here, you have to actually order a drink from the bar here. So I ordered an electric mojito. See how it goes, and then I'm gonna take it out to the pool. Let's go. Yeehaw! Dude, what the, it's a yard. Oh, wow, I didn't know it was coming in this. This is cool. A little souvenir thing. Hey, get out of there. Little fly. Woohoo! Hey, what are you? So yeah, this is $19 with tip, so cheers. Wow. Okay, that is good. That is good, definitely worth it. By the way, I got my sunscreen on. Ready to go, dude. All right, let's hit the water. This is great. Oh, this is dope, dude. This is great. Yeehaw! Oh, we got dancers.
That's all for today. Now, I'll leave a bit of freestyle for Latin dancer.
Let's go! Woo! Yeah! Man, what a time down here, dude. This has been fun. I'm glad I did this. I'm glad I got off the ship and did this because this was fun. And also another good point to bring up is this may change. This may change because remember Royal Caribbean has bought this, so this might change a little bit. So I don't know. It might stay the same, might not. But yeah, within the next year or two, things could definitely be different. So I'm glad I'm here when this is all going on because dude, that was so much fun. A group of Indians made a request of an Indian song. And everybody was like, what the heck? And then everybody got into it. We're all, oh my God, dude, that was just the craziest thing. It was so much fun. Dude, yeah, I'm glad to be down here, dude. This is awesome. Unfortunately, I ran into Chris, but he didn't see me. I was yelling, Chris, Chris! And yeah, he was running on the ship, but he was with one person. But yeah, dude, I was like, oh, well, next time. Oh, well, it's all good. I'll probably see him on the ship, so. But man, this has been so much fun. All right, that's it. Costa Maya. It was fun. It is now almost 4 o'clock. Time to head back to the ship. What a great day, man. What a great day. That was cool. So I met a couple from Knoxville, Tennessee. And they wanted to be in the photo. I was like, all right, yes, let's get it. It was awesome. Yeah, man, this is still crazy winds. Jeez. Look at these waves, man. Crazy. Yeah, hopefully the weather's much better in Roatán. But yeah, we'll see. We will see. I wonder of the sea. Adios, amigos. Winds are still strong, Bob. So, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but one cool thing about this ship hot tub on the edge of the ship. Pretty cool. And it's only on one side of the ship. Oh, and it closes at 1:30 in the morning. I was there last night till freaking like, yeah, 1:15, and then as I'm leaving, security guards started coming around and getting everybody out of the hot tubs. And the hot tubs in the main area close at 1:30 as well, so that's pretty cool. Dude, look at these freaking waves. Not too bad, but still bad enough to get people's excursions canceled. Again, if we would have docked over here, we definitely would have had some issues. That wind is blowing directly into the ship. Pretty cool ship.
This ship's falling. Oh.
Totally, dude. We made it back on the ship. Yeah. Oh man. I think I'm gonna hit up the water slides because yeah, might as well. My bathing suit. My swimsuit, yo. Hey, heading back to the room and look what I see. This is pretty cool. And I love this. This is awesome. Welcome cruisers. Day 4. We get to pick your different lightsaber color. Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite lightsaber color? Yesterday's winner, Cosmic Rewind. Pretty cool. Hey, we got another Provost Park Pass cruiser, group cruiser. Nice. I think for a lot of us are on deck 11. Yeah, I'm just heading back to the room really quick to drop some stuff off, and then actually I gotta get ready for dinner. 5 o'clock dinner. Hey, what's this? It's a freaking Psyduck. That's hella funny. And then also, oh, we're gaining an hour of sleep. Sweet. Clocks go back an hour. Nice. All right, cool. That's dope. So I got this, and then I got this little guy. I don't know what this is. That's funny. Got some eyes on it. Cool. I got a little collection going now. Before you know it, I'm having a whole squad of rag animals or rag Pokemon, whatever these are. But yeah, anyways, got a shower, change, and get ready for dinner. So should be a fun night. Let's go. One final look at her. So long, Honduras. Honduras? Oh my gosh. Costa Maya. I give up. Costa Maya. Costa. All right, yeah. So yeah, there's the water park for now, and we'll see next time we come back. Maybe this might be all changed again. Crazy waves though. This is way different than last time we were here. All right, see you later, Costa Maya. It was fun. All right, outfit check. Ready for dinner. Yeah, it's a little wrinkly. I gotta do something with it. I got a white shirt on underneath because I think there's a white party later on, all white. But unfortunately, I don't have any white bottoms, so this will just do. But yeah, let's get to dinner and have some fun. All right, got the dinner. Here's the group up here. Third night. Yeah, and then Smallville cast have been all sitting over here. So every now and then we'll see the cast walk by. It's pretty crazy. Superman is here on the ship with Lex Luthor and his dad. But yeah, it's a 3-story freaking restaurant, man. It's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. All right, I got carne asada. Pretty good looking. It's a Mexican night. Yeah, pulled pork enchiladas.
Pulled pork enchiladas.
That looks freaking good. I had a piece of it. Thanks, Laura, right?
Yes.
Yes, Laura gave me a piece of it. It was really good. Cool. All right, my second entree is salmon, guys. Look at this. With the little pineapple on top. Let's see if I can get it light. Oh, that is bright. Nice. All right, cool. All right, this is apple crumb cake or pie with vanilla ice cream. And you got, what do you get?
Flan.
That's
Caramel flan.
Flan.
Yeah.
And then that's Dutch leche. Oh yeah, both got it. Nice. Oh, you guys all got it. Nice. Okay, I guess I'm the odd one out again. Last but not least,
Now eventually, when we
a
get
lemon
back, we
drop
are gonna
martini.
take sick time, right?
That's good. All right, so I'm gonna tell Chris Provost. He's really known for obvious Disney tips, like Haunted Mansion is located in Disneyland. Follow more for obvious Disney tips. Like there's that kind of stuff. I'm gonna tell him a cruise line one and see if he laughs. So we'll see how this goes. Hello. All right, Chris. I got something for you.
Yeah, bring it on.
A cruise ship sails on water. Obvious cruise line tips.
Oh, you want it? Ready?
All right, here we go.
Hey, come down.
Calm down.
Give me the booth.
No, you're good. Oh, he's thinking.
You gotta again, smile. I'm gonna do an obvious cruise tip.
Obvious cruise line tips.
Did you know that when you go on a cruise, the ship floats on water? Stay tuned for more obvious cruise tips.
Perfect. That's good. See, I was trying to do that and I couldn't do it. I was like, no, I'm breaking already. All right, that's dinner. Everybody's just doing pictures now, getting ready for the white party, and then we might do the show tonight. It's called, I forgot what it's called, but it's an outdoor acrobat show, but because of the hurricane, it may not happen. So, hurricane or the storm, whatever. So it's, yeah, up in the air. So, see what happens. For now, we're just kind of do what we want. Oh my gosh. What are they doing? They're having too much fun in here. Is it that bad? Is it? Oh no. You're welcome. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta see.
Can you see it again? Oh. You can see all the pictures in your app.
Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. That is a nice dress.
I love pockets.
A dress with pockets. That's not very common.
Like they were the same company, but they were separate.
Huh. Oh my gosh, there's so much whiteness going on here. In case you guys are wondering, the white thing is a Caribbean, I don't know, style or something. It's been going on for a lot of cruise ships in the Caribbean. So like one night on a cruise, the cruise line will do an all white party. So I don't know, MSC's did a really good job on the white party. That was amazing. Oh, look at that, pictures in front of the Mustang. Oh yeah. All right, do a little bar hopping before the show tonight. First bar is what is this bar called anyways? I don't even know.
Is this Boleros?
Boleros? Boleros. Okay, nice. This is Martin, good bartender here. Come down and say hi. Cool. Cheers, guys. All right. Looks like the show is going to continue on. And they're seating us now. So the show is called Intense. And it's exactly that. It's a pretty intense show. So here we go. Wonders of the Sea. All right, looking for our group. There's Chris down there and Amanda. All right, I'm gonna go around. Chris, is the wind part of the Intense show?
It makes it 11.
11.
Intense is the 11th sentence.
It would be perfect if it was intense.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, that's pretty cool. Most of it is outdoors, so they're gonna be doing all kinds of crazy stuff here. There's like water features. I wish this pool was open during the normal hours of the day, but it's only for the show. Okay, Amanda says the splash zone's up front, and I got go excited, so we're doing the splash zone. Let's do it. They even have towels down here. Look at this. All right, I'm gonna go somewhere in the middle right here. All right, so yeah, got front row. The staff told me they're gonna be running through here, so we'll see how this goes. Nobody else is joining me. They're all sitting like 4 or 5 rows back, so I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, I've been getting soaked all this whole vacation, so I may as well keep the trend going and see how I get. All right, so this is a little before. I'll show you guys after. This is gonna be intense. All right, Zach's gonna join me in the splash zone. We got him in there. There we go. Got him.
Talk to me, Elvin.
We're doing this. Oh. All right, this is before. We'll show you guys after. Oh yeah, that's great. Amanda's joining us? No, she's not. You brought. Oh no. Oh no, this is great. So Chris is gonna sit up there where he's dry, and his wife's gonna do. Amanda's joining us. Amanda's joining us. Chris is gonna sit up there dry. Oh my gosh. Nice. This is awesome. Woo! Everybody got their phones out.
All of my life choices.
Oh, we got a whole team here now. Nice. Oh yeah, it's going down. 7 minutes and counting. Here we go. Look at this guy.
All right, guys, we got the splash zone participants right here.
That That is cool. This show is dedicated to our daughters, man. That's awesome. All right, guys. Good luck. We got this.
Thank you. Can't wait.
Final countdown. Oh, damn. Already got someone coming out. Oh, shoot. That is cool. Lights. 2, 1. Here we go. Woo! All female cast. Look at this. Woo! Oh. Oh, this is nuts. Dude, look at this thing. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Okay, that looks like she's about to snap. Dude. That bamboo? It's gotta be bamboo. Oh, wow. So much going on. Holy hell, dude. Wow. I've got some water thrown on us. Woo! Holy heck. Oh! Damn! Here we go. Oh my gosh! We're kidding. Here we go. Oh, I didn't see it come down. Holy heck. Wow. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, God. That's a lot of water. You're a little wet, buddy. Holy heck. Got a guy. There we go. Oh, damn. That's dope. Wow. go. And they are going down. That was a wet party for sure. That was good. Wow, that was good. Alright, it wasn't that bad. Honestly, anybody can set up fun. It wasn't that bad. A couple splashes, but it wasn't that bad. See, look, he's trying.
Why was filming me when I took my shirt off? Get out of here.
It wasn't, it's a camera. Amanda stayed super dry. Super dry. If you guys are gonna sit up front, make sure you have kids in front of you. They're really a big piece of the block. Chris, did you get a drop on you at all? Did you get a drop on you at all?
At the very beginning, like
Let's twinkle.
I was like cheering, like, right in my mouth.
Did it dance across your lip? Did it dance across?
We were both like, oh.
Oh, man. Where's my clothes? Cheating. Oh my gosh. As you can tell from my hair, it was a little intense. It's a little tense. But no, it wasn't that bad. It was actually really, really good. Way better show than any other show I've seen. You know, of course, I've been on Princess Cruises. Definitely blowing them out of the water. This is definitely a show you need to see. There's a lot more. I didn't record the whole show, so definitely worth seeing. If you guys ever get on the ship, come check it out. It is amazing. All right, so everybody's gone pretty much to bed because everybody's got to get up early for tomorrow's excursions. I got to get up early, kind of early for my excursions. I'm doing a kind of the same thing what I did last time. I'm meeting up with the same guy I did with Carrie on my last cruise on World America. So we're gonna be over there doing that. Possibly do the monkeys thing again, parrots, and a sloth. So yeah, I got a nice little group of us going, about 6 or 7 of us. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be with Chris and them. They're all going snorkeling and a bunch of other stuff too. So, yeah, so tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. So I'm gonna basically wrap this up and conclude our day. So man, it's been fun. By the way, I finally figured out what these are. If you guys didn't leave any comments, I don't know yet. Nobody has yet, but yeah, these are basically transitions on how these are all hand carved seahorses, what do carousel horses. So it's pretty cool how they start off from basically a block of wood, and these tools are essentially what they used to oh, Zoltar. Hey, Zoltar. I was like, who's talking to me? Anyways, but yeah, that's anyways, yeah, moving on. That's pretty cool though. Block of wood. Oh, look, it's the piano guy again. That's awesome. Dude, this guy's cool, dude. Every night he's in a piano. Or in an elevator. He kind of rotates elevators. That's dope. Hey! That's so cool. Woo! Oh, door's not open. Oh, that's hilarious. Alright, well that's it. That is a wrap, guys. Was this day 4? Yeah, day 4? Yeah, I think so. Day 4, yeah. Costa Maya, dude, that was fun. And just everything, dude. This whole freaking cruise. Meeting so many great people, dude. The shows, the ship, dude, the staff, dude, they're like, oh, this is my room. Yeah, anyways, dude, the staff, they're like, at dinner, they come to the table, like, they're on it. Like, as soon as the guy Brandon to my right dropped a fork on his plate, staff were literally on it, like I don't know how to explain it without being too, yeah, but anyways, they're just on it, dude, like, man, yeah, staff are really good. And I've only been known for Princess Cruise staff, so yeah, and staff and Princess are pretty good. But anyways, I digress. It's been a phenomenal trip, and for those of you guys been following me, and for those of you that just followed me from Chris's group, thank you guys all for joining me on this cruise and do the videos and stuff. And you guys have been all freaking like wonderful people, and it's gonna be sad. It's really gonna be sad. I was thinking about it today. It's gonna be sad just to say goodbye to everybody, and I really hope we can get something like this going again. Stay in contact with each other's, and who knows? We'll maybe plan another cruise or a theme park day or something like that. I mean, that'd be kind of cool. But I know the theme parks can be that kind of expensive. You know, the amount of money I spent on this was still a lot. It's still a lot, but you know, I think this is definitely worth it for 7 days on a cruise ship that, you know, drinks, food, and it's taking you to a bunch of different places, and meeting all these people. Like, this is something you would never experience in a theme park. Yeah, you might run into someone in a line a couple times throughout the day, but you're not going to really talk to them, you know, maybe. But on a cruise ship, it's like you really become family, like friends, and it's just, especially with these people, with you guys that are been following Chris and you know, and Amanda and, you know, the Provost channel. We're all so alike, and it just makes it that much more connecting in a sense. So every single person I ran into, I'm like, dude, we can just sit here and relate and talk about Disney, talk about cruises, talk about just, and you can't really always do that on a cruise ship. You know, for the most part, you'd be like, okay, well, I like cruising, cool. You know, what kind of cruise ships you've been on? You know, kind of deal like that. But this one, it's just been, it's different, way different, and this one's gonna hit me. This one's gonna hit me, guys. For those of you that you've been following me for a while, you guys know that I get connected with people on cruise ships, and it's always hard, man, saying goodbye. But yeah, this one's gonna definitely feel it at the end. So, but until then, dude, we're gonna keep pushing and having the best time of my life and our lives, you know, all of you guys. So it's just been so much fun between the island today, the shows, dude, just interacting with Chris and Amanda and the rest of the gang, Zach and Greg and Thumbnail Dave, and just, it's just crazy. It's so surreal still. It's just like I'm here, you know, doing this, and I never thought I would be here. But dude, when Chris and Amanda dropped this cruise last year, I was like, oh my gosh, I just was like jumping out of my skin, like, I have to do this. I have to do this. Like, it's not just to be around them, but just, I just know that they're gonna have a group of people a good group of people, you know, to be around, to make good memories, and have a great time with. And sure enough, we're here and we're doing it. So yeah, cheers to you guys, and we're doing it. And yeah, this is only day 4, so we got a couple more days. But yeah, anyways, sorry to keep you guys dragging along, but yeah, I love you guys all, and I'm gonna end this because I gotta be up in like 7 hours now or something like that. So it's kind of weird, ship time and there's land time. So I don't know, other cruise lines, it's always been the same. So when you get to that port, it's gonna be that time at that port. But like they've been making these announcements that like it's an hour behind. So a ship time will be 9:30 or 8:30, whatever. So you want to say, like say 8:30, it'll be 7:30 in Honduras. So we're gonna stay on ship time. So that means we have to be back on the ship by 1:30 tomorrow. And I don't know why I'm just explaining this. I could be explaining this tomorrow's video, but tomorrow we got to be on the ship by 1:30. So technically, in Honduras, the clock's there. We have to be back on the ship by 12:30. So it's a little confusing. I'm like, oh my gosh. So it means we have to be like probably back at the port by 11:30, 11:45 at the latest, just to make sure, you know, we get on the ship and whatnot. But yeah, it makes a very, very, very short day tomorrow. Yeah, we dock at like 7:30 in the morning, ship time. So technically 6:30 in the morning in Honduras, which is really early. But yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm meeting up with a friend of mine that I met last cruise. His name's Omar. You guys will see him tomorrow. And I got a group of people, and it's gonna be fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, you guys have a good night. My name's Eldon. Love you guys all. Have a good night. Bye. Well, this is cool. Harmony of the Seas and Grandeur of the Seas are right outside my balcony. Not sure which one's which, but according to Cruise Mapper, these are the 2 ships right by me. Hard to make out what that is. Pretty cool.